What's going on, guys? Chris with Edge Body here for 3 shoulder mobility exercises that you can do before your next upper body workout, either at Edge Body or in the gym. Let's check them out. Start it up. Hands behind your head. Stand up tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, pulling those elbows back behind you. Hold here for a couple seconds, and then you're going to pull your elbows closer together, protracting your shoulder blades forward and back. Holding a couple seconds each time, trying to increase your range of motion every single time that you move. Second exercise, keep those hands behind your head. You're going to take those hands, rotate your palms out, down towards the small of your back, then pull them back up and back down. Squeezing those shoulder blades together, pulling your shoulders back and opening that chest up. After you do about 10 to 15 reps here, let's switch it. Let's go bilaterally. So one hand on the top of your head, pulling your elbow back, one on the small of your back, pushing your elbow down. From here, you're just going to rotate up and back, driving for more range of motion every single time. And that's it, guys. 3 very simple shoulder mobility exercises that you can do before your next workout to get the most out of that workout. Give these 3 a shot and let me know what you think.